As always, when we start a video, we start with going with the goal for the day or the learning target for the day. And in this case, the learning target is to write algebraic equations from verbal sentences and problem situations. As we move into the next slide here, we notice that we have some new vocabulary words. A blank is a mathematical sentence that contains an equal sign. This is an equation. An equation contains an equal sign and is a mathematical sentence. It's taking the words from the word problem and putting them into mathematical symbols. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter, that is used to represent a number in a mathematical expression or sentence. That's not a new term for us. We've had that term before. Write an algebraic equation for this problem. The cost of a book purchased online plus $5 shipping and handling comes to a total of $29. So the cost of the book plus $5 shipping and handling comes to a total of $29. They're asking us to write an equation for this one. I'm going to use C for the cost of the book. I'm going to add to the cost of the book because it says plus the cost of the book over here. So plus $5 is equal to the $29 total cost. The price of a toy plus $6 shipping is $35. So let's practice again. We have the price of the toy plus $6 shipping is $35. I'm going to use P to stand for the price of the toy. I'm going to add to that the $6 in shipping. And I'm going to get a total of $35. A box of oatmeal contains 10 individual packages. If the box contained 30 grams of fiber, write an equation to find the amount of fiber in one package. Well, I'm going to use F to stand for the amount of fiber. I'm going to take that times 10, the amount of fiber in one package. I'm going to take that times 10 because there's 10 packages, and it's going to equal the total amount of fiber in the box, which is 30 grams. A box of cookies contains 10 servings. If the box contains 1,200 calories, write an equation for the number of calories in one serving. It contains 10 servings. There's 1,200 calories total in the box, so I'm going to say the number of calories. I'm going to use the letter C for calories per serving. I'm going to take that times 10 because there are 10 servings in the box, and that's going to be equal to the total number of calories in the box, which is 1,200 calories. The 8th grade class has $35 less in its treasury than the 7th grade class. Given S, the number of dollars in the 7th grade treasury, write an equation that can be used to find E, the number of dollars in the 8th grade treasury. So I'm going to let E equal the number of dollars in the 8th grade treasury. We know that that is equal to the 7th grade treasury, which is the letter S, minus the $35 that they have more. So E is equal to S minus 35. Thank you.